Hi guys, it's Gaz here at the Gaz World Motorcycle channel. I'm here at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. I'm just doing a walk around review of this Benelli TNT 125 Tornado naked bike, which is quite a small looking bike. I'll just show you their stock before I get to the bike. As you can see, there's plenty of Kawasaki's here at Claycross. I'm sure the staff will welcome you with open arms if you're interested in coming to view any bikes. So here it is, this small Benelli TNT 125 Tornado. Start with the engine. It's an air-cooled 125cc BMTseries twin spark engine, 4-stroke. It's a Euro 5. It's a great little bike, very economical, which I'll tell you in a bit. The engine is 11.1 bhp at 9,500 rpm. It's got 10 Newton meters of torque at 7,000 rpm. There you go, that's your oil window, just to check your oil. It's got a top speed of 65 mile an hour. And they do 3 colours in this. That's your ground clearance at 160mm. It's like a metallic green. Weight is 124 kilograms. That's your exhaust, stainless steel, polished. Show you the domed badge. You've got a seat height of 780mm. The front suspension is 35mm, upside down forks, as I'll show you, and the travel is 120mm. You've got 12-inch aluminium wheels, front and rear. The front brake is a 210mm disc with 3 piston caliper and CBS. You've got an overall length of 1,770. It's a great colour. Height wise, without mirrors, 1025. That's your LED indicators all around. Then you've got LED front projection headlight. I'll show you that now. You've got a width of 760mm and the wheelbase is 1215mm. Like I say, this is the Gaz World channel. If you like motorcycles in general, I do all sorts of different bits, and I'm trying to specialise in showing you in close-up detail and some specification of the bikes on all different brands and all different motorcycles, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. show you rear brake. It's got 190mm disc with a single piston caliper, and again CBS. Show you rear suspension. It's a swing arm suspension type with adjustable dampening, and the travel is 50mm. This petrol tank holds 7.2 litres, and amazingly you will get approximately 200 miles per tank, and if you squeeze it, figures are showing 120 miles to the gallon for this bike, which is quite, well, it's not quite, it's very good. That's your LED tail light. Obviously a chain driven. It's your suspension again. It's a wet clutch, and I'll just show you now, and there's your basically 5-speed gearbox. Just show you. This bike can be rode on your L plate legal. You can ride it on your CBT, and this bike is available at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield at £2,599 on the road. If you're interested, please contact the sales staff. I'm sure they'll talk to you. They do, like I said, they do different colours in this model. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. It's a brilliant little commuter bike, and it's, like I say, cheap as chips to run and maintain. Thanks for watching. I've been Gazweld. Please subscribe to my motorbike channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.